What's up, everyone, and welcome back to another video of swimming lessons with Jay Beck. Today I got my little brother, man. I nicknamed him Lil Tony. That's his pawpaw name. Right here, we working on his arms. Move on to kicking. He kicks pretty well, and now he's ready to swim. And right here, I have him jumping off the steps and swimming all the way to me. And this is how I prepare my swimmers for the deep end of the pool.
Right here. Now, jump in and just swim. Jump in and swim to me. It's moving. Jump in, swim to this wall, or swim to my ladder.
No, I want you to get right there.
Tone in. You got 10 seconds. I'm going to push you in. One other two. Jump in and swim, T.
Okay.
Just jump in and swim. Just jump in and swim. Jump in and swim. Jump in and swim. T, you got 5 seconds.
Okay.
Jump in and swim. Lay out. Start swimming. Jump in and swim. You got 5 seconds. You got 5 seconds.
Okay, hold up. Just get in. Please.
I'm in. Come on.
Please.
Jump in and swim. Jump in and swim to this wall. Jump in and swim to this wall. If you panic, you not come T. Jump in and swim and doggy paddle to this wall. Come on. Put your head till you got 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8.
Okay.
7. I'm gonna throw you in.
Okay.
I'm gonna throw you in. You have to swim your own. 5.
Did you jump right here?
Yes. And swim to this wall. Jump in and start swimming.
Hold on, let me stop panicking.
5,
Hold
4,
up.
3.
Hold up. Okay, I'm gonna jump in.
Tony, you got 5 seconds. I promise you I'm coming this time.
You sure?
I promise you I'll
I'm
come
not
get you.
gonna
I promise you I will come get you this time. 5, 4,
Okay.
3.
I'm gonna jump. Ma, you come over
5,
here.
4, 3, 2. Did I lie to you, buddy? Nah, you still ain't swimming that time. You jump to the wall instead of jumping straight out and swimming to the wall. Go again.
No.
You did it wrong.
Come get me.
You did it wrong. He say, come get him, mama. You coming? Oh, okay. Come on. That's what I thought. Go again.
Mama, I don't want to jump off that diving board.
Oh, you gonna come? You coming to get him, mama? I ain't think so. Come on, let's go back to the diving board. Let's go. Let's go again.
Mama.
Tone in. Let's go.
You not no baby. What are you
Let's
crying for?
Let's go.
You ain't swimming.
And right here, we finally get Lil Tony to face his fears and get him to jump in. Only one problem. He doesn't swims. He just doggy paddles to the wall. So we got to get him to go back and fix that.
Go ahead. Hey, Justin right there. He ain't gonna let nothing happen to you.
And right here, we work on it again. This time he jumps in the correct way. And you'll see him put his head down right here. And now we're ready.
What's that bad?
And right here, you can finally see D getting over his fears. He jumped into the deep end, and he swims all the way to the shallow end of the pool. If you're watching this, D, Lil Tony, I'm proud of you, buddy. Thank y'all for tuning in. Please subscribe and stay tuned for more videos.